cracking Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to another quickfire 2-minute tutorial Tuesday peeps, where today I'm going to be showing you 2 super underrated double under moves. Now, a lot of you guys who've been following my channel for a very long time may have already seen me do this, but for the newbies out there, for the sort of intermediates and those learning double unders, this is going to be a super cool tutorial to help you guys fly boss as always. So if you haven't already, and if you've forgotten what's going on in this channel, you need to make sure you cop your RA Speed Ropes. This is the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. It's on my website down below. Use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount and get started straight away. Right, peeps, we're gonna get the 2 minutes on the clock and hopefully get through this very quickly. Right, folks, so the first double under I'm gonna show you is called the run double under. It's a move that I kind of created some time ago now, but this is what it looks like. As you start with your run skip, you double, you go back to a run, double, back to a run. Right, folks, the kind of focus of this double under now is what you're going to be learning to do is you just make sure that as you take off, you're taking off with both feet off the ground first. So you're running, both feet take off, right? So now you're in the air, and what you're going to do is you're going to raise one knee higher and land on one leg. Then you continue the run, okay? So we're going to be showing like loads of slow motions, so you'll be able to understand this really easy, but this is what it looks like. The reason why this move looks so good is because it looks like you're taking off really with one leg. And as you land, you're back into a run. It takes a lot of balance, a lot of coordination. We really want to focus on staying in the same spot. What you want to do is start very, very slow. Do it as slow as possible. As you get better, then increase the speed, all right? So I'm going to show you a quick speed control drill now. This is slow. Take off, land, run. Then increase the speed. I like to do a little side swing before I go into the double under, and that is the first variation. Second variation is the split or the straddle double under variation. That looks like this. This move is all about keeping super, super balanced, right? All we're doing is straddling forward and back, and whilst you're in midair, the rope's gonna be going under us twice. So without the rope, it's almost like a kind of split jump, like a lunge, and we wanna make sure we're not off balance. Key thing to remember about this, peeps, is we're gonna try and go as slow as possible, but you need to make sure you get those revolutions quick enough to get around your body, right? So you can start with a normal double under. Both feet land at the same time. All right, really quick and easy tutorial. It's going to take a long time to practice this. Let me show you how this looks when you go slow and then fast. Right, peeps, that about wraps it up. Probably went a little bit over the 2 minutes as always, but hopefully you got some value out of this. So give it a big thumbs up, smash it, do what you want. Hit the subscribe button as well. Just hit that subscribe button as always as well. Quickest way you're gonna learn this is just try and go as slow as possible. Watch the slow motion playback and just keep practicing. Remember, it won't come overnight. It's gonna take a lot of time and patience and a lot of slaps as well. It's not an easy move, but hopefully this video helps. So listen, I'm going to catch you next week again, as always. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. Check you in that next one. So take care of yourself, let's get a treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.